Hello, in front of me I've got Poco X4 GT. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. Now let's go to menu, where you can check all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, your activity, and in settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. Next we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, check if your Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can go to help and support, send feedback, and in the end you can enter your Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.